Hey guys, welcome back to Mercedes Lounge. Today I have the 2019 Mercedes S63 AMG. This will be a brief look at the last outgoing S-Class in this design. And this thing is spectacular. On the interior has macchiato beige with the brown leather as well, exclusive. Love the wood trim on the upper dash. Dashboard is leather wrapped, all exclusive leather with a massage as well as contour seats. Driver side door, memory seating 1 to 3, heated, cooled as well as ventilated seats. And here it is, S63 AMG. Love this look. Has a multi-beam LED lights with 3 eyebrows at the front, a very aggressive front splitter right here with the black accents. Has a Mercedes plaque on the top of the hood. Let's take a look at the rims. Twin 5-spoke rims, finished in gunmetal gray as well. Red brake calipers, 6 piston brakes, perforated discs at the front, V8 by turbo inscription for Matic Plus. Love the pencil stripe on the exterior right here, shows you those distinct lines across the side. Rear LED tail lights, S63 branding on the right, Mercedes Star the center, AMG on the left hand side. It has the AMG performance exhaust system with the quad exhaust tailpipes, which are finished in chrome. Let's take a look at the trunk space real quick. Has a decent sized trunk right here. AMG floor mats, finished in that brown or burgundy color. Electronic trunk close. Let's see the rear look. Rear sunshade for privacy. Love the finishing on this car, fully loaded. Rear seats, memory seating 1 to 3, heated as well as cooled seats. They have reclining features as well. Massage seats in the back. Two cup holders, NFC wireless charging. There is another compartment here for your cell phone or any other gear. You have a fridge in the back for champagne or things that you want to have and drink. Love these pillow seats on the back. And the sunroof has this blue color, very exclusive. Burmester Hines speaker system on the roof, all around accessory lights. Let's go ahead and sit inside. Oh my goodness, this is so comfortable in here. Let me just open up the rear sunshade so you guys can see me back here. It's a joy to drive this car as well as to be chauffeured in the back. Very comfortable, tons of leg room at the front. There is at least 5 inches between my knees and the rear of the seat. Take a look at that. More than enough leg room. Storage compartments right here. Oh my, this is pure luxury inside this S-Class. I'm gonna close the rear sunshade. AMG branding on the door sills, illuminated as well. 64 colors, ambient lighting. This S63 sedan features a 4-liter V8 bi-turbo engine, which produces 603 horsepower with 664 pound-feet of torque. It's a 9-speed automatic transmission as well. The exterior matte finish white, almost looks like beige or off-white. Rear LED tail lights, S63 branding on the left, AMG on the right hand side. Has the AMG performance exhaust system with quad exhaust tailpipes, finished in chrome right here. Let's take a look at the front. I'll open up the hood so we can see the engine. Also has the V8 bi-turbo inscription right here for Matic Plus, which means it's all-wheel drive all the time. However, you can send up to 100% of power to the rear wheel on this S63. Let's take a look at the engine bay. Wow, that hood is actually very heavy. And this is the handcrafted V8 bi-turbo engine of the S63 AMG. 603 horsepower. Love it. And it sounds amazing. You'll listen to the sound once we start driving. Front look, very exclusive headlamps. These are the multi-beam LED lights. All right, let's go. What I haven't talked to you guys about is the retail price on this S63. Retail price is $124K. I'll leave the info description on this S63 if you want to buy it. Make sure you mention you saw it on Mercedes Lounge YouTube channel. Wow, I just can't get over how this S-Class looks. Wow, this is so nice. Alright, 4-liter V8. There are dynamic select options right here. Does not have MBUX system, but you have this trackpad right here. You can browse through the infotainment system. The home button is right here. Let's see the menu options: navigation, radio, media, phone, connect, vehicle, as well as system. If you go to the system menu, you have designs and displays. Go into design. I'm going to set this to the sport look, which is awesome. This is the AMG theme, the sport design, all the other cool features: input, audio, connectivity, Bluetooth. Let's go back to vehicle. Has seats, driver's seat massage features. I will engage the hot relaxing box massage as I drive this S63. That is awesome. Activating the massage. Has lumbar support as well as dynamic seat, climate control, energy comfort. I do have a full video on the infotainment on a GLS 580. Make sure you check out the video. I'll put a link in the description right here. It's gonna go through the energizing comfort features as well. Let's go back to home. Let's go to vehicle and go into dynamic. Go to engine data. So this should be pretty cool as we drive. 603 horsepower with 664 pound-feet of torque. That feels amazing. 0 to 60 is a breeze inside this S63. Tons of power delivery, the comfort. I mean, there is nothing really like an S-Class. You're not gonna get the comfort, the prestige that an S-Class offers. The AMG Performance steering wheel is actually quite good to handle. I love the contours on it. Gives you enough support on the palm of your hands. Visibility is also quite decent. And as I drive, I'm getting lumbar support. I'm receiving enough lumbar support from the seat. The massage features are kicking in. Wow, this thing is beautiful. Let's talk about the interior. Everything is very, very exclusive. From the leather, the smell of this car, the quality of materials is absolutely top-notch. The Burmester high-end speaker system that you can see on the door is lighting up. Has a red color on it, rather. And it's a pure joy to drive. Let's see how quick we can get from 0 to 60. I'm already doing 60 and but it feels very, very powerful. Enough thigh support on the seats as I adjust through this feature right here. I'm pretty sure the Burmester high-end speaker system sounds amazing. Because of copyright, I can't really play music inside here, but I guarantee it sounds incredible. Wow, this is amazing. Let me give you guys another brief walk around. Wow. Has a front-facing camera right here. It's fully loaded. This thing is fast. So if you want to get your questions answered, if you should buy a pre-owned certified Mercedes S-Class or S63, then the answer is yes. This S63 delivers in every simple way: durability, luxury, performance, and looks as well. And this is the most fully loaded S63 I've driven so far. It's got all the right bells and whistles, from the seating as well as performance. I love the head-up display feature, and I believe it also has night vision. on this spec as well. And that's really a brief look at the S63 2019. The retail on this S63 is 124K. So if you want to buy one, I'm gonna leave a link in the description so you can get yourself S63. Alright guys, that's a look at the 2019 S63. Want to see what the difference is between this S-Class and the new S-Class. I'm hoping to drive the new 2021 S-Class very soon, but other than that, stick around. Hope I see you guys next time. Until then, stay positive, but test negative. Peace.